हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम +1 के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस गोइंग ऑन दिस चैप्टर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस चैप्टर 3 लेक्चर 7 6 लेक्चर्स हैज़ बीन डन। 6 लेक्चर हो चुके हैं इस चैप्टर पर। सब कुछ हो गया है इसमें। एंगल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिग्री एंड द रेडियन। फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 3.1 3.2 ओके, that has been done. Now today we are doing trigonometric function of sum and difference of two angles. Sum of two angles, trigonometric function on the sum of two angles and on difference of two angles. Till now only with one angle we have done. So now forward in the +1 syllabus, this is the most important sum and the difference of two angles of the trigonometric functions. Okay, now here sin a plus b, if we want to find value of this function, now these two angles, one angle YOX, that is angle A, let other angle ZOY. We have taken adjacent angle. These both A plus B will be full angle ZOX, that is A plus B, ZOX. Okay, now what here done? Here done, take any point P on OZ and draw the perpendicular on x-axis and the OY ray. Means what? कि PM perpendicular on OX, ठीक है, and PT perpendicular on OY ray. Okay, these two perpendicular drawn. After that, third perpendicular from T on PM and TK also perpendicular drawn on PM. These draw, these construction. Okay, to find the value of sin of A plus B. Okay, now sin of A plus B means angle ZOX. Sin of angle ZOX we have to find. So now you see that first, if you want to take which right triangle with angle A, and then you see here A plus B full angle, so POM in triangle POM angle M equal to 90 degree by construction. Okay, here we have done perpendicular in construction. So now in this right triangle POM, angle POM, that is A plus B. So sin A plus B, sin A plus B, this full angle POM is equal to sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite side of this angle POM, this is PM, opposite side PM upon hypotenuse. Right triangle, angle M is 90 degree, hypotenuse OP. Okay, clear? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Now PM bracket into two parts, PK plus KM. By figure, PM we can write PK plus KM, and OP, you see what is OP, as it is OP. So divide by OP here also, and divide by OP in this also. We can write this. After that, this implies PK. Where is PK? This PK. In which right triangle PK is one side? We have to see. So PK is one side in right triangle PKT. In right triangle PKT, in right triangle PKT. Understand? Hypotenuse. Where is hypotenuse? PT. Okay? PT hypotenuse. So this is your, if angle PTK we want to find this, 90 minus A will be, because this is A angle TON is angle A, and TK parallel to OX. So these two parallel line KT and OX, and one transversal line OT. So angle KTO will be equal to angle TON. So this will be A. So angle PTK, angle PTK will be equal to PTK 90 minus angle A. Why this? Because this is A. Because angle KTO is equal to A. Understand? Alternate interior angle, angle KTO will be equal to angle A. Why? Because this angle A and this are which? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle of line TK parallel या KT parallel OX. KT parallel OX. This. So we can write then angle P, this, in this right triangle PKT. What is angle P? Angle P will be equal to, because this is 90, this is 90 minus A, so this will be A. Angle P is equal to A. This angle will be A. Okay, so we can write angle, here we can write angle K P T will be equal to angle A. This is the important thing here. Okay, so in this right triangle, take this angle, so what is here PK? PK is one side, that is adjacent side with angle P. So adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be in this right triangle PT. So divide by PT. Okay. So here PK divide by hypotenuse PT. Okay. Clear? And upon OP also divide by PT, यानी divide by PT numerator and denominator both, plus, okay, divide by PT numerator and denominator both, okay. Now plus KM, see in the figure, KMNT is a rectangle. KMNT is a rectangle. So KM is equal to TN. So write here TN. And divide by here TN. In which right triangle TN? TN is right triangle TON. So this is opposite side of angle A, TN. So divide by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OT. So divide by OT in numerator and denominator both. Denominator is OP divided by OT. Okay? Like this step is important. Divide by hypotenuse here also in numerator and denominator, here also divide by hypotenuse in that triangle where one side is Tn, then this. After that, what is in the figure we can see PK upon PT. PK upon PT with angle A, it is cos. It is cos of A. Okay? See, in right triangle PTK, angle A, respect to angle A, PK upon PT, PK upon PT, adjacent upon hypotenuse. So that is cos A divided by OP upon PT. OP this OP upon PT. So in right triangle OPT, angle T full 90 degree, because drawn here PT perpendicular on OY. So in right triangle PTO, in right triangle PTO, angle B, it is angle B. So opposite side of angle B, OP is, understand, OP is hypotenuse upon PT. PT is opposite side. Hypotenuse upon opposite. Hypotenuse upon opposite. Which trigonometry? That is reciprocal of sine, means cosec. So this is cosec of angle B. Okay? Plus Tn upon OT, Tn upon OT. So in right triangle ONT. In this right triangle ONT, angle N is 90 degree. So here Tn is the opposite side of 90 degree. It means it is Tn, yes. The opposite side of angle A. So opposite upon OT is hypotenuse. opposite upon hypotenuse means sine. Sine of angle A. This ratio sine A. And now this OP upon OT, OP upon OT. In right triangle, OTP, OP is the hypotenuse, OP is hypotenuse, and OT is the adjacent side with angle B. Okay, with angle B in right triangle OTP. So in right triangle OTP, hypotenuse upon adjacent. This is the reciprocal of cos sec. So hypotenuse upon adjacent sec. It is sec of angle B. Okay. Now after that, cosec theta 1 upon sin theta. So means sin B. Okay, sin B cos A, यानी cos A into sin B plus sec B डिनोमिनेटर में है तो 1 अपॉन सेक थीटा कोस थीटा, तो मीन्स साइन ए इंटू कोस बी, साइन ए इंटू कोस बी. So this formula is what is now? So this is sin A cos B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A into sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. So this formula proved sum of two angles. Sine function sum of two angles. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Similarly, we can take cos also. Okay. Similarly, cos A plus B also we can take. Figure will be same. Okay. In the same figure, in the starting A plus B means angle P O X or Z O X, A plus B. So cos of A plus B we have to take in the starting, as here taken sin A plus B, take cos A plus B in the same figure and do like this. After that we can prove that also. Tan A plus B also we can prove. So write direct by this figure we may prove the all trigonometric functions with angle A plus B, and sum of angles of the trigonometric function, all formula you can write. So cos A plus B we can do cos A plus B, cos A cos B we can prove by the same figure. Cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B. Okay, by the same figure this we can do. After that, third, tan A plus B also by the same figure, tan theta, starting tan theta. Okay, opposite upon adjacent, and then similarly as here done by the same figure we can prove this also. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. We can prove this formula. Okay, so like this, sum of angles we can prove, all trigonometry, other also. So now after that, A minus B, now sum like this we can do. Okay, the reciprocal will come, others if you want. ठीक है, now but original these you take. Now we have to do for the difference of the angle also. Okay, now for difference of angle you will, for difference of two angles, this figure, different figure we have to use, where OX is a ray and angle XOY is angle A बड़ा है. Okay, XOY. Then one ray with common vertex OZ. So then ZOY or YOZ is B. Okay, then where is A minus B? Full A YOX minus B, B is YOZ. तो ये दोनों माइनस किए तो कौन सा एंगल बन गया? एंगल ZOX. तो दिस रिटर्न एंगल ZOX इज A minus B. तो वी हैव टू टेक sin A minus B, then opposite upon hypotenuse. Then what is opposite side in this right triangle? PNO. VN perpendicular. So N is 90 degree. So sin theta opposite upon hypotenuse. So this angle is A minus B. So opposite side is PN. So PN we can write in the next line. Okay. Then this implies PN opposite side of this angle A minus B. So opposite side is PN upon hypotenuse is OP. Understand? Now one point this I want to tell here before this, what produce the NP back. NP, PN perpendicular on OX, produce NP and from the point T parallel to X, and T K parallel to OX, comma NP produce NP produce up to K. ठीक है, and this parallel. So we can say here, see what we can say, TK parallel OX and OY is the transversal. OY is transversal, two lines and TK and ON. So this is transversal at point T. Okay, here O. Okay, now this here transversal line and TK पैरेलल टू OX है, तो ट्रांसवर्सल है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि OX और TK में दिस एंगल और दिस एंगल कैसे एंगल है, कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, इक्वल। ये एंगल ए है तो ये भी एंगल ए हो गया, तो दिस एंगल ए। सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंगल is A. Now after that full angle at the point T is 90 degree because PT perpendicular on OY, PT perpendicular on OY, तो full angle is 90 degree, तो 90 minus A will be this angle KTP, तो KTP angle KTP is equal to 90 minus A. Okay. After that, in right triangle TKP, in right triangle, okay, in right triangle TKP, one angle is 90 at the K, other angle 90 minus A, so third angle will be A. So angle TPK will be A. Angle TPK will be A. Okay, this angle will be A. Angle TPK is A. This angle is A. Now you see here PN. PN, where is PN? PN. So Pn value how can write, and what we can write? Kn minus Kp. Pn by the figure we can write Kn full side minus Kp or minus Pk. This we can write divide by OP. Okay, now after this Kn, see in figure, Kn will be equal to Tm. Why? Kn equal to Tm because Tknm is a rectangle. Tknm is a rectangle, so opposite sides are equal, so Kn is equal to Tm. Tm, okay, Kn value divide by OP minus Pk. Pk divide by OP. Okay, we can write this. So this implies this. This implies Tm, in which right triangle Tm is one side. So Tm is one side in right triangle TOM. तो in right triangle TOM देखो ध्यान से, TOM, TM side is the opposite side of angle A. So opposite upon hypotenuse divide by hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is OT. So divide by OT in numerator and denominator. Divide by OT and denominator also OP divide by OT. Okay, clear? ठीक है, माइनस PK, where is PK? In which right triangle PK is one side? Observe, in right triangle TKP. In right triangle TKP, PK is one side, and this with angle A, it is adjacent side. So what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse here TP. So divide by TP. So PK divided by hypotenuse PT, okay, and whole divided by OP divided by PT. This we can write. After that, you observe by the figure which trigonometric ratio this Tm upon Ot. Check here, Tm upon Ot. In right triangle TMO, opposite side of angle A upon hypotenuse, so it is sin A. So it is sin A upon OP upon OT, OP upon OT. In which right triangle? In right triangle OPT at the point T 90 degree. So OP is hypotenuse and OT is the adjacent side with angle B. Adjacent side with angle B, OT. So hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse upon adjacent. Reciprocal of cos. Because cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse and it is here hypotenuse upon adjacent, so it is sec. Sec, and angle in this OPT angle B. So sec B, sec theta, minus PK upon PT, PK upon PT with angle A. PK is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse cos A divided by OP upon PT, OP upon PT. So in right triangle OPT, OP is hypotenuse because at point T 90 degree, OP hypotenuse upon PT is opposite side of angle B. Okay, so opposite, hypotenuse upon opposite, reciprocal of sine, then cosec and angle B. Now this implies 1 upon sec B is cos B, cos theta, 1 upon sec theta, cos theta. So sin A cos B minus 1 upon cosec theta, sin theta, sin B. So cos A sin B into sin B. Okay, so this formula you are proved. Sin A cos B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So minus means difference of two angle, formula also proved. So by the same figure you can prove other trigonometric function with A minus B and the difference of two angle A and B. So same figure we have to use, we can prove. Now we should write direct what is the formula of cos A minus B. Okay, so similarly we can prove cos A minus B, it will be cos A cos B, direct cos A into cos B प्लस, अब इसमें माइनस वाले में प्लस है कोस में, प्लस साइन ए साइन बी। दिस थर्ड tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So these three, A minus B and first three A plus B, I told only two figure used to draw the all formulas of the sum of two angle and difference of two angle with every trigonometric function we can do. Okay, take interest, like, share and subscribe the channel and forward the video to the others so that others also may get the benefit. So it is my request to all of you that you send the video to every contact which you have, यानी जो आपके पास कॉन्टैक्ट है सभी में वीडियो को भेज दें जिससे कि वो देखें और उनका बेनिफिट हो. ओके, और गाइड करें उन्हें. सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड राइट द कमेंट इन कमेंट बॉक्स so that I will get the happiness. So do this and I will continue for your guidelines, and I am giving the feedbacks, everything basic also, concept must be clear. I am trying that you will see the video up to the end, and every video you must see, then you will get the everything. Okay, thank you.